While I go on YouTube, it's second POV in this act. We in Brooklyn today. We about to do a calm. Oh, it's 11 o'clock. I thought it was midday traffic, but y'all know what it do. Y'all know what it do. You can charge. How does Brooklyn parking be? Too tight. Okay. New iPad. What is this, 2025? This is the iPad Pro, the M5 chip version though. Black Friday just passed. Had to scoop it up. Days today. Today is Wednesday. Who would have guessed it was Wednesday? I wonder if all these people see the camera on my head and thinking, what the fuck this nigga got going on? Mr. I don't like the white line. Mr. doesn't know what the yellow line is either, I guess. But hey, what you gonna do? Show you out the Liberty. Uh-oh, Mr. Camera. Mr. Big Truck. Mr. Pothole. Ooh. Alright. This is the camera. Insta360 Go 3S, I think. This is the higher version model or something. I'm not 2,010% sure, but it's like 550 or something when I got it. 500, I don't know. But when I got it, the new model comes out like the next week. And I'm content with this though. The newer model is a bit more brick-like, but it's better for sure. Are y'all straight on my head? I don't know. I guess since I don't got my dash cam set up yet, this is my dash cam. Technically, right? I'm trying to see if y'all got in a straight view right now or not. If I got y'all fucked up on my head. Just chilling, Mr. Biker. Unk. Avoid these Hollingtons. I wonder if you two gonna copyright me for this Christmas music. The iPad is sturdy. Sorry, language. I keep doing that, right? I'm gonna get used to it. Go guy. Are you honking at the strangers? Where are you going, sir? Look at your red stripe. Mr. Nürburgring. We chilling. This is not a, should I say? This is not a highway video. This is a calm and collected drive. Holy shit, birds through. We in Ozone Park now. You know, we going to South Ozone, so it's just a drive to have y'all with me, so y'all can see what my part of the world look like. But I'm also from different parts of the world, you know. I'm not a, you know, I live in America, but does that define that who I am? Do you know? I am of, that's another controversial topic. I would say I'm from Caribbean descent, but others would argue that my country is not in the Caribbean, but the culture is as much shared, if that comes across correctly. See me shaking my legs because I'm bored. Whew. Where is the camera? Where did you go? That's not polite. Just be disappearing. Oh, it's right in front of me. Wow. Ha. Aren't I quite the whiz? This the in manual, I guess Triptronic mode is what you would call it, maybe. Not everybody knows that. Maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I would like to know the truth. First to second shifts by itself, and then you shift the rest of the gears. And then I guess also counts as it downshifts itself from second to first as well. Hopefully this view's alright. Yeah, I think so. Mr. Green. Mr. Double Park. I know I may appear a little goofy for downshifting my automatic, but my last car was a fucking NB Miata, so I think I'm the guy that downshifts to everything, but it's also because that's my first manual vehicle. But I just got the car and I learned how to drive it by sitting in it. I don't have no help or anything of that nature, so if I could do it, if you're an aspiring manual driver, if I could do it, you could do it. Take it as that. And we soon manual swap this bad boy, so you already know what it is. Oh my god, did I just kill a squirrel? I hope not. CRV, big wheels, 20. Ooh, EG, nicer. Oh, Mr. IS300 F Sport, I don't know. Fast guy. Fucking unk. I'm not monetized yet, so in theory I could say, yo my nigga, you wildin', boy. See, that's where you gotta, that's where y'all niggas, that's now you gonna use your turn, but you didn't even turn, nigga, so alright. What the fuck am I gonna do, right? Damn, that would have been just like how my Miata got totaled, actually. Amazon van. See? Very smart market. That nigga waited like 10-15 seconds before he went through his stop sign. Sure. I hope YouTube don't copyright us for this music. We already locked. What the fuck is going on here? That's 4. Sewer getting cleaned up. Bomber club. Oh man, this is not fun. See, she knows how to do her job. She's saying, wait, I had an interaction with another man the other day where he was just waving the wand, waving the wand, waving the wand. And then he gets mad when people want to drive. And he's not looking at it. I mean, she not looking, but she has her hand to say stop, and she has the sign that says stop. Doing the job correctly. Slow, thank you. My hand's shaking. Maybe because I got the windows open when it's 30 degrees. Smart observation, I might say. Mr. Dog. Nice banner, Chach. Stretched. Not tell me those are stretched tires on a pickup truck or not. Wow, that's cool. But it's a tow truck. How does that plate pan out? I don't know. I'm not the biggest professional. Could have waited, but I'm nice. All right. Just sounds nice, bro. This is a 2004 Tia. It should not sound like this. It don't sound like too nasty. It don't sound like a piece of shit V6.